Tranquil, elegant and striking are but a few words that can describe this stunning private resort-style home, positioned on 6 acres of land, located directly opposite one of Queensland's top schools, Sheldon College. Offering the ultimate floor plan with multiple living areas, complete with stunning cathedral ceilings and a new Enigma kitchen flowing effortlessly onto the entertaining areas and sparkling in-ground swimming pool, this low-maintenance 6-acre block will tick every box and more. The main house comprises of 4 good-sized bedrooms, all with built-ins, and the master bedroom complete with ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. The guest house is simply stunning, a spacious area with high cathedral ceilings, its own bathroom, kitchenette and large private deck overlooking park-style bushlands. Any guest would be lucky to stay here. Complete with established stables, large sheds and even its very own skate park. This is acreage living at its finest.